Today let's talk about how to use the Chase car purchase category tracker. Now in order to view your Chase car purchases and all of these categories, you simply need to head over to the mobile app of Chase, and within the account section, you should be able to see the option called spending planner or an option called manage spending, and within this section, you'll be able to view all of your categories that you've spent using your card. Now within this section, you can view different reports, but in some cases the report might not be available within the application. So in this situation, what you need to do is view the spending category within a desktop website. So you can simply open up your desktop or laptop, head over to the online banking of Chase, and then you'll be able to see the option called download being displayed. But in most cases, it should also be visible within the mobile application. So you could simply download your spending report and take a look at all of your expenses or all of your categories within this section. So that's all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.